Yeah.
So the third one, this one. It's what?
Do you have V?
Yes, and I.
I?
Yeah.
It's
But
going down?
yes,
Yeah.
just going
Yeah.
down.
So one is a land being.
You do? Let me open this if I can.
And one point is above the line.
Oh, that's okay. What? Is this not working? Come on. There we go. Okay. Who sent me a message? Connell.
What happened?
No.
Start
Staff holiday next week too. No teaching. That is good. Come on. What's taking this so long? It's so slow.
You need a new laptop.
No, but this one is so strong and old and just keeps working.
But if one day is
No,
Saturday,
never.
I mean it's Saturday.
It's like an old horse, just keeps working. But it's slow.
Do you have any coffee?
I had 1 cup. Only 1 cup.
So if Saturday
Yeah. Nah, it won't. It's strong. It's strong.
Don't drink more coffee.
Okay, just 1 cup today.
drink every day.
Every day. Yeah, this is slow. Now here we go. So, last time we looked at making the graphs, which you all did, so that's good. That's the easy part. Now we have to write. That's the hard part for you guys, right? Because of the English. Yeah, you know, behind, beside. It's so difficult, you know.
We don't
Huh?
we don't need graph.
Yeah, later. But for what we're looking at today, okay,
Right.
what we're looking at is let's see, scroll down. I have here. Whoop, sorry. Can you see? Somewhere? What are you doing? Yeah, okay, thank you. Now, if you look here, so first thing, the final report is worth 90%. Because the plan, remember when you sent me the plan? That's worth 10%. Yeah? Now you can send the plan again, don't worry, because I know your plan wasn't perfect. Yeah. So anyways, last time we were talking about the graph. So there's some things just to check. Does my graph have a straight line on it? Well, 2 of them do, and the middle one doesn't.
We have this.
I now need to print this for you. But it's okay, I'll leave it on. No, you don't have this, I don't think. Oh, you do have it?
Yes.
Oh, wonderful. Wonderful, okay. So, let's look at these then. The first one is, good, I forgot I gave them to you already. That's great.
Actually, oh yes.
You know we need to recycle.
Yes. No, you're good students. Okay, so, does my graph have the x and the y? Yes. Okay, good. Does my graph have the points on it?
Yes.
Yes. Does my graph have the equation?
Maybe.
Maybe, okay, check.
Yes.
Okay, good. Did I calculate M and C?
What?
M and C.
No.
Didn't calculate that. Didn't we?
Graph.
What?
Wait. Graph.
Did we calculate M and C? No? Okay.
What's M's?
Okay. Let's go around. Can you open up your graph, Summer?
Yes.
Okay, let me sit in the middle. Oh no, Ben, you have it open. I'll use your one. Whose is in English?
Mine.
Yes.
Good man, Ben. I like Summer. Why is yours in Chinese?
No, it don't have English.
It doesn't have English.
Yeah, it's not my graph. It is WPS. It's Chinese.
Okay. Okay, fine. Well, maybe we can. Maybe we can do this. So, for this graph, you need to calculate M. Now it should be 0.995.
Oh, this is.
Yeah, but you should calculate it.
Oh. How
So yeah, I'll show you. So what you do, I put it here. That's the M.
Wait.
Whoa!
Yeah.
That's the M. Okay, and you write equals SLOPE,
Also.
slope. Okay, and then what you do is you highlight Y. No, here. Isn't this one?
Yes.
Yeah. Comma X. Close. Good. And that is M. So the OR, okay, that's equal to 1 over M. So that's the OR. Okay. Now, this one is a little bit different because you also need the M
Yes, sir.
and you also need the C. So you know how to do the M, let me show you how to do the C. The C is equal intercept bracket Y, which is I, comma X. That's the 6 here, okay? So what you can now say is EMF equals, and this is equal to that, okay? And then the M, slope, Y, close like that, and then the OR, the internal resistance, that's equal to minus the M for this graph. So that's the OR, and this is in ohms, and this is in volt. Volt. Okay, so that's what I mean by did I calculate the gradient and the intercept by using slope and intercept. Okay, so I've done it for you, and if Summer needs help, maybe you can help him. We'll just do the next one, okay?
How about the second?
The second one, you can't really have the M because it changes, so it doesn't, I mean you could calculate it, but it doesn't really make sense.
M is so.
Slope, yeah.
What is R?
Hmm?
What is R?
Or big or small?
Small.
Internal resistance.
slope is the
internal resistance.
SLOP.
E.
Sorry, I lost my E.
You lost your E indeed.
What? SLOPE.
Yeah. Yeah.
Just one more.
Yeah.
What?
Who sent me a message now? Oh, Connell again.
Ah, yes. And the first one's M is the first, and what's the next? R.
R is the minus M,
Minus.
and EMF is C.
The first one.
Oh, the first one is just M,
Just M.
and R is 1 over M.
Okay.
The third one, the graph is diff opposite.
Yeah, it's opposite. Yeah, yeah.
And these two.
Okay. Nearly ready, Summer?
And just M and R
For the last one?
first.
First one's just, yeah, M and R.
And the last one is M and R and EMF.
The last one is M, C, EMF, and R, yes.
C.
Intercept.
Wait.
What is intercept?
C.
What is
On the line.
how?
And here C
Hmm?
intercept and CPT.
And how to spell it? Intercept. INTERCEPT.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And Y and X
Huh?
intercept log
Y, comma, X, yeah.
R is minus M.
R is minus M, yeah, and EMF is C. Okay, ready, Summer?
Nearly.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so look, what we're working on today, the report has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sections. And we are starting with the analysis section because that's the easiest. So you've already made your graphs. Now it's time to type. So what I mean is you can start typing. Let me go to a new page. Insert. Oh, come on. Okay. Right, analysis. Okay, so what do we need in this section? Let me give you some points. Start. Okay. So if we go, actually, we have it there too. So, did I include units everywhere? Did I reference relevant physics ideas such as formulas or uncertainties? Did I calculate everything correctly? Did I calculate uncertainty? Okay, so what do you need? In this section, you need to have the table with the calculations in it. So remember in your spreadsheet, I don't have one, but yeah. See this here? You need to put this table into your document, okay? You need to have that. You need to also explain how the U was calculated, okay? You need to explain what formula you used. So for example, you could say V equals I or, okay? When a plot is made with I on the y-axis and V on the x-axis, then the slope will be 1 over r, since I equals 1 over r V. You have to explain. And then you also need to show the result. So you could say that, for example, internal resistance or equals, EMF equals. Okay. You need to also explain if there are errors or problems. So, example, Summer, you said you noticed one point was off the line.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's like a small mistake.
Yes.
Okay. You need to talk about how accurate your result was. You know this word, accurate?
No.
You sure you did this with Lorraine? You remember? She showed you the picture. You know, like, this is precise, but not accurate. This is accurate, but not precise. This is not accurate and not precise. Yeah?
Yes, but I got the idea.
You got the idea, okay. Right. What else? Oh yeah, of course you need to have your graphs. You need to have those as well. Okay. What else? Oh yeah. And you need your units. So for example, when you say m equals 0.99, so or equals 1.01 ohms, that's wrong, because you need to put the unit here as well. What's the unit for m? If or equals 1 over m, what would be the unit here? Ohm minus 1. Yeah, that's it, very good. Like that. So if you look here at what I have, oh yeah, and then the last thing you need comments. So for example, in the second graph, what can you say about the second graph? Is it straight? No, the second graph, is it straight?
But you told us.
Yeah, it's quadratic.
But you told us
Yeah.
make a straight.
Huh?
Yes.
No, I said it quadratic.
Oh, sorry.
Didn't I, Ben?
Yeah.
Yeah, I did, Summer.
Sorry, I
And
will change that.
Do you know the word for when it's not straight? The resistor. We say, for example, because the graph is quadratic, then the resistor is not ohmic.
Oh.
Do you remember this?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, what else? Oh yeah, and then lastly, the OR squared. So, for example, Summer, on your first graph, what was OR squared?
Is 0.999.
So 0.999, which equals 99.9%. Yeah? You need to talk about the meaning of this. Is that a good thing or a bad thing?
Good thing.
It's a good thing. What 100% would mean is a perfect fit. So this is a very good.
Yeah.
Okay, so you have at least one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8, 9, 10 things to talk about.
And some.
Say again?
And,
Analyze and analysis. Yeah, yeah.
so we need to write this,
Talk about this. Yeah.
but first we type this,
This.
copy this.
You want to copy it? Okay.
If we, but
You can. What you can do is you can write it on the back. Summer, Ben, you can write these on the back if you want.
Can I just take a picture?
Ah, no, don't. No, I don't like that. Thank you.
so I type
Oh, sorry, thanks, Ben. Your English is so good.
No, it's
Spell check.
I don't like this.
What?
This keyboard.
What's wrong with it?
My keyboard is good than this one. That sound da 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 da. It's very good.
Got it all? Con was texting me.
Why?
The day I want to take off for my holiday
Yes.
is the same day you have your maths exam. So I can't. I have to be in that day.
When?
22nd of July. Today is 31st of May, isn't it?
31.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you have all of June and then 22nd of July.
Oh yeah.
So
And
nearly 2 months.
yeah. 22nd in 23rd is we will finish our final exam. 23rd.
Great.
Yeah.
Great.
And
Is the maths.
22 we will finish the final.
Is maths the last exam?
I think.
Okay.
And 23 I will.
Holiday.
No. I will go back to my country.
Yeah. Relax. Okay. Now, how many words do you think you need for this section? No, not for, no, that's too much. The analysis is only,
500.
the analysis is only one part.
Oh,
So,
500.
if you got 500, that would be excellent.
Okay.
Because, that'd be about 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, I think that would be good, Summer. If you could get 500 words, that'd be good. Now, before you start writing, you learned a little bit with Lorraine how to write lab report.
Yeah.
So what tense do you use?
So past
Past,
and complete.
past what? Past passive, isn't it?
Yeah. It's not. It's not the past complete.
Oh, maybe it's called this too. I don't know.
Yeah.
Give me an example. So,
Yours.
huh?
Yours.
Inverse.
Yours.
What's this?
It works.
It works.
Words.
Oh, W-A-S.
It
was.
It was. Okay. Yeah. Right. Simple example.
There was.
So, for example, let's try and practice changing it. So, this is bad. Okay, bad. I calculated the uncertainty and put the results in the table below. That's bad, right?
Yes.
How can we make it good? Oh my goodness. Is that Khalifa?
Hold on. Oh, Khalifa.
Khalifa, why are you so late? No, come back. Why are you so late now?
Sleep off.
No, but this is important. We're doing the lab reports. Khalifa, you break my heart. No, I need you to go down to Neil and tell him you were late, and then you can come back here. Oh, Khalifa, you break my heart. Break my heart. Okay, continue. Right, so how can we change this into something good?
The table.
Yeah? Well, what's the first problem?
Yeah.
So, you could say something like,
Delta.
Yours.
Delta.
Yours calculate.
no, don't say it, because you know what it is.
The result.
Yeah, the uncertainty.
Uncertainty. What is the uncertainty?
Ah, Ben! You break my heart too.
Oh, I know. I know certain.
The you.
Oh.
So,
Where's your... Here, this. These.
This.
Yeah.
the uncertainty.
The uncertainty?
Which is how to be calculated.
Go on, try. The uncertainty you.
Which is what is correct?
What are you saying? Hang on, start again. The uncertainty you was calculated
Can I say by? No.
by.
The uncertainty from calculated.
No, Ben, this is right so far. The uncertainty you was calculated, and what did we do next? Yeah, and the result was. Yeah, that's a better word than put. More academic.
The result was used.
No, better than used or put.
Showed.
Yeah, good. Getting close. Better than show. Like show.
Disappeared.
Huh? Can we think of a word that means show but begins with D? D-I-S.
Discuss.
No.
Display. Oh yes. Yes.
Displayed.
Yes.
in.
The
Now, don't say you could say the table below, but you could say in table 02 or whatever number you give to the table.
oh,
And then wait. If you want, wait, look,
I just
you can add in which is shown below.
Oh, so the
Oh,
word
nice.
is too many.
oh nice.
The word is too many.
I
That's good.
Yeah,
I want
know,
to
I know.
follow you. Yes.
Answer TITY.
Oh, so. No TI?
Oh, sorry, I spelled it wrong. Now let me try again.
Okay.
Uncertainty.
Yeah.
Okay.
Stephen,
Yes.
you don't have the word sir.
I don't. It's terrible.
I don't like this keyboard.
Why?
I will type double A and double S, double each
I
word.
but my keyboard will lose something, miss something, but I
Maybe change a new laptop.
Sorry. Oh. Right. You like my sentence?
yes.
Because it's long?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, good. How many words was that?
The first one is 15 and the second one is 18.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
But the first is 15?
The first is 12.
No?
12?
Oh, sorry.
12
I
and-
lose a bad.
Yeah, 12 and 17. Yeah?
Yes.
Okay. So, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to give you time. You should try and get this finished today, because after the holiday, we'll go on then to number 2.
Today? Why we?
We can't finish in holiday.
Yeah, but
You can help.
if you start now,
Yeah.
Can help.
and then when you go home, if you finish it, then you can have the whole holiday to relax.
No, we have the or physics, chemistry.
Okay. Well, anyways,
It's safe.
I'm really want to finish now, but it's battery problem.
okay. Well, okay. Get started. See how much you can type now.
The accurate
Yeah.
is the how to say? Is something minus something and over something?
That's error.
Oh. So what is this?
You can't really talk about the error because you don't really know what the answer should be.
Yeah. I don't know.
So you can't talk about error, really.
Okay.
So how to table the with the calculation in
Ah, come on, Summer. You know how, look, you know how to make a table. Insert table. Wherever it is. Table, I don't know where it is on this computer.
and tap it again.
Yeah. Come on. Don't be so lazy.
Where is my chemistry diagram? This.
Maybe I can. Aha! Like this.
Yeah, but this shouldn't be in one. It looks messy. Maybe you could fix it.
Maybe.
Yeah, this should be like a title.